Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Word Chapter 3 Simulation Training Hand on Exercise 1. So open the Word Chapter 3. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Word Chapter 3 Simulation Training Hand-on Exercise 1. Click the launch. So open the Word Chapter 3 Simulation Training. Word Chapter 3 Simulation Training Hand-on Exercise 1. So total question is 3 and we move to the question number 1. Insert the two column fourth row table at the end of the document. So go to the insert tabs and go to the table groups and click the table two column so two column and fourth row and click OK. And next is in the first cell, in the first row of the newly inserted tables, enter the table to impact the sources. So first cell, so type the table to impact sources, and next press tab button and first cell row 2 enter the employees competitions. So type the employee competition and press tab button. And next is delete the category column. So delete the category column table 1 and insert the row at the top of the tables and enter the table 1 industry sector in the first row in the cell first tables and automatically. So delete the category column and insert the row at the top of the table. So type the table delete the category column and go to the layout tabs and click the delete column. And next is insert the row top and insert the row above. And next is enter the table 1 top industry sector. So type the table 1 and top industry sector. And next is in the table 1 insert the new row above row in the content sector 589. So insert the new row above. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is merge all cell row 1 the table 1 position the mouse pointer on the border between the first and second column tables and drag to the left. Reduce the column width approximately 1 inches. So merge the cell row 1, merge the cell row 1. So click the merge cell and mouse to the borders first second tables and drag to the left, reduce the column with approximately 1. Reduce to column with this approximately 1 and press enter. So merge cell of the row 1 in the table 1. So select the row 1 and click the table design and click the merge cells, and next is select the 1, and next is select the row 2 as well as the remaining row below in the tables 1. Adjust the row heights 0.3 and the wrap row 6 in the top will not adjust to the same heights as the other selected. So select the row 2. So select the row 2 as the well remaining below the row table 1. Adjust the height 0.3 and wrap row 6 and other. So height is 0.3. To the table design and click the layout is height. Table height is 0.3 and press enter. So select the row 2. So select the row 2 to row 6 and go to the layout tabs. And next is position the mouse pointer just inside the left edge of the third row of table 1 and click the and drag down to select the all remaining value in the first column. Split the cells resulting to column and row 5. So position the mouse pointer just inside the left edge of the third row table 1. So select the second cells and next is, so go to the table layout tabs and click the split cells and click the, so point to the mouse pointer and just inside the left edge of the third row of table 1 and click and drag down to select all remaining value in the first column. Split the cell resulting in column 2 and row 5. So select the text and go to the layout tabs and click the split cells and uncheck the merge cell of before split and click OK. So question number 2 is complete.